that time of the month again. It is Loot Crate time. This is December's box. Yet again, didn't come until almost the middle of January. But yeah, do the honors.
Yeah. Dun, dun,
Show them
dun,
first.
dun, 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 dun. Ooh! We got
A
a pop
face. Let's start.
Let's see. We got a Widowmaker. Up. Focus! There we go. Up, and it's gone. Yeah. That's pretty dope. Well, I'm not even gonna lie. Ooh, Power Rangers.
Oh, the shirt.
No, the Widowmaker. Pop. That's
Oh.
like expensive. What we got?
And there is this
Voltron!
shirt.
Voltron.
I don't know if you can see it all.
Voltron.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see it.
Not sure what that is.
Bro.
My husband's just gonna disown me.
Jesus Christ, man. Do you at least know who the Justice League is?
Yeah.
That's not a reassuring yeah.
I did. Anyways, this is this month's pin. Can you focus? There we go.
Just focus. Oh, dude, that's dope.
We got a Justice League
It's the Black.
of America comic book certificate.
We had this little box. Right? This little box. I'm sorry I interrupted her, but you know what?
Yeah, that's why I won't focus on you.
Oh, here's got this little box. Whatever. And it contained this little guy. Whoopee!
Should I autofocus it? There we go.
And it's got his little coin in it.
And we
Pretty cool. Does the coin come out?
we have
The coin
another
does not come out.
$10 gift card to VRV Premium.
Can't have it. It's mine.
And then you have the little pamphlet that shows you everything. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, that is this Loot Crate. We got the $10 gift card to VRV. Of course, the thing that tells you what's in the box.
Boom. Got it.
This month's loot pen, the comic book, the Widowmaker,
Don't even know what that's from.
Overwatch,
Says it on the box.
and then you got the little
You had
Teenage
the what?
Power Ranger.
What?
It says on the thing, Teenage Power Ranger.
It's just okay. And yeah, it's Power Rangers are a bunch of teenagers, but sure.
Yeah, right there.
I trust you.
Make me second guess myself again.
And we have the box.
But yeah, and it's got like a little mammoth pin on it. Come on, guys.
This thing.
There we go.
Much Power Rangers
It hurts you. And then this extremely creepy box.
It's awesome. Power Rangers.
Yeah, I'm not keeping this box.
Yes, you are.
I don't like that.
Yeah, you are.
But anyways,
Oh, dude.
we
Got him on the back of it.
we
Drop that shit.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys next time.
Manana.
Bye.